What if I told you that 90% of people stay broke? Not because they don't earn enough, but because they keep making the same 3 money mistakes every day without realizing it. In today's economy, financial success isn't just about working harder. It's about avoiding the hidden financial traps that quietly destroy your wealth. Many people unknowingly sabotage their financial future through poor spending habits, lack of financial education, and fear-based decisions. The truth is, building wealth starts by fixing the mistakes that hold you back. If you want to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and stop living paycheck to paycheck, you must first understand what's holding you back. Watch until the end to learn how to avoid these mistakes and start building real wealth today. Are you accidentally burning through your money without even realizing it? Most young adults are, and it's costing them a fortune, holding them back from real financial freedom. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the top 3 money traps that keep people stuck, especially those just starting out their financial journey. Forget the fancy jargon. We're talking about practical, real-world mistakes that can derail your dreams before they even begin. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have clear, actionable steps to dodge these pitfalls and truly get your money working for you, not against you. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic. Picture this. You get paid, you feel flush, and then a week later, your bank account looks like it's been through a blender. You scratch your head and wonder, where did it all go? Sound familiar? This is the first, and arguably the biggest, money mistake: not tracking your spending. Many people think budgeting is about deprivation, about saying no to everything fun. But that's not it at all. It's about awareness. It's like trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat all day. You could be snacking on tiny things that add up to a whole meal, completely unknowingly. We often focus on the big purchases, but it's the tiny, almost invisible expenses that really sneak up on us. That daily coffee, the streaming services you barely watch, the impulse buy at the checkout, those quick lunch deliveries. Individually, they seem like drops in a bucket, but combine them, day after day, month after month, and suddenly that bucket is overflowing with wasted cash. We call this lifestyle creep on a micro level. People are often shocked when they actually sit down and see where every single dollar goes. Maybe you spend $5 on coffee 5 times a week. That's $25 a week, which is $100 a month. Over a year, that's $1, $200. Imagine what you could do with an extra $1, $200. The challenge here is simple. You can't fix what you don't measure. When you don't know your spending habits, you're essentially driving blind. You're giving away your power to your impulse buys and unconscious habits. The key to fixing this isn't to cut out every single joy, but to become mindful. Try tracking every dollar you spend for just 1 month. Use a simple app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Once you see the patterns, you can make conscious choices about where you want your money to go. Instead of letting it slip through your fingers, it empowers you to direct your money towards your goals, whether that's saving for a down payment, a trip, or investing. This one is a real killer, especially for young adults. We hear things like, I'll start investing when I have more money, or it's too complicated, or it's too risky. And so, we procrastinate. We put it off for someday, but someday rarely comes. And every single day you delay, you're missing out on the most powerful force in finance: compound interest. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. You start with a small snowball, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and faster. Your money does the same. Your initial investment earns returns, and then those returns also start earning returns. Let's look at some numbers to really drive this home. Imagine 2 friends, Sarah and Mark. Sarah starts investing $100 a month at age 25. By age 65, assuming a 7% average annual return, she's invested $48,000, that ends up with roughly $240,000. Now Mark starts investing $100 a month at age 35. By age 65, he's invested $36,000, that only ends up with around $110,000. He invested for 10 fewer years, but he has less than half asterisk of what Sarah has. That's the magic and the tragedy of compound interest. Time, not just the amount you invest, is your biggest asset when it comes to growing wealth. The sooner you start, even with small amounts, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. You don't need to be an expert. You can start with simple, low-cost index funds, or ETFs, that automatically diversify your investments across hundreds or thousands of companies. Many platforms allow you to set up automatic transfers for as little as $25 or $50 a month. Don't let fear or perceived complexity paralyze you. The biggest risk isn't making the wrong investment. It's not investing at all. You get a raise, you land a better job. Awesome, right? Absolutely. But here's where mistake number 3 often sneaks in: lifestyle inflation. This is when your spending increases right along with your income. You make more money, so you feel like you deserve a nicer car, a bigger apartment, fancier meals out, or more expensive clothes. Suddenly, that $5 coffee every morning goes from a treat to a necessity. The problem isn't enjoying your hard-earned money. It's when these increased expenses eat up all of your extra income, leaving you no better off than before. You're earning more, but you're still living paycheck to paycheck because your needs have simply expanded to match your new salary. It's like being on a financial treadmill. You're running faster, but you're not actually moving forward. This mistake is insidious because it feels natural. Society often pushes us to constantly upgrade, to keep up with what others around us are doing. But if you're always chasing the next shiny object, you'll never truly build wealth or achieve financial independence. The challenge here is to pause and reflect. When your income goes up, don't automatically upgrade your entire lifestyle. Instead, proactively decide where that extra money should go. A great strategy is to automate your savings and investments times. When you get a raise, commit to automatically sending a percentage of that raise directly to your savings or investment accounts before you even see it in your checking account. This way, you consciously choose to pay your future self first. Maybe you increase your 401k contribution by an extra 1%, or set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account. It's about being intentional. Enjoy a portion of your raise, absolutely, but make sure a significant chunk is working for your long-term goals. Breaking free from lifestyle inflation means understanding that true wealth isn't about how much you spend, but how much you keep and grow. So there you have it, 3 common money mistakes that can seriously hold you back, especially when you're just starting out. But the good news is, these are entirely within your control. By simply becoming aware of where your money goes, starting to invest even small amounts today, and consciously fighting off lifestyle inflation, you're not just avoiding pitfalls, you're actively building a strong, secure financial future for yourself. If you're ready to take the next step in managing your money, check out our video on 5 simple habits for financial success, popping up on your screen right now. Thank you for watching.